Alright, hi guys. So today's video you're about to watch is going to be very magical, very exciting. So let the vlog introduction begin.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, yeah, 恭喜发财. Happy New Year. High five, man.
Hi.
High five, man.
Hi.
Alright, hello to all you guys, all the new vlogs in Promenade Station. Just reached here and not too long ago. So, how can I tell you what is it? You're gonna see it for yourself. Yeah. Are you excited as well? Are you extremely excited?
Yeah, very.
Good. Nice.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Even Adventure. I'm now in Marina Bay.
Alright, hi there guys. So this is my friend right now eating the chicken, about to finish the chicken, the very nice barbecue chicken, and right outside is Marina Bay Sands, and we are going to head outside there. So it's something very special, as I said earlier on. Do stay tuned, I'm getting very excited about this. So yeah, hi guys. Yep, that's right. So we just finished dinner at Marina Square Food Court. Yep, as you can see. So right now we are heading to Marina Bay. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so today's sky is not so cloudy, it's clear skies today, and the weather is very good. You see, that's the problem with the GoPro, or when it's like late night, and of course the GoPro doesn't catch really good images, so sorry for the quality. But besides my using my GoPro, I'm going to use my phone as well, so the quality is a bit inconsistent, but we'll try my best to edit it. We'll edit to the standard. Cheers. Right, so hi guys. So I know it's a bit dark. So this is Camp Kilo, and what if you want to know what is it about? It's actually about, what is it? Over here. So over here is like food eateries like this, snacks, finger food, and some really interesting beers. And look at the whole place inside here. It's really very interesting. All the picnic kind of sitting styles, all the tables and chairs. Yeah, so this is where all the food and drinks are happening. Yeah, so yeah, this is totally unplanned. Coming inside to the carnival is unplanned, but since admission is free, so you come in here just to feel the vibe only, but we're not paying for anything. Right? We're not paying for anything. Admission! So he's very scared of heights. So too bad, lucky he don't buy the Universal Studio ticket, if not he's wasted. Oh wow, this name is very cool. Facey Thing. This thing over here. People filming over here, and there's another art. But what is this? What is this? Oh wow, this is nice. Actually, the background shows like Singapore scene, you know, like the history of Singapore, because this is in conjunction with Singapore history. So yeah, as you walk past by, you see all the shadows. this art right here that you guys see, this is a silhouette of a boat in the olden days where the sails aloft. So what is it? Is actually sampan orang laut, and of course I think that's Sang Nila Utama, I think so, and probably the Sir Stamford Raffles kind of silhouette. Yeah, so iLight also caters to kids as well, and this is very interesting for kids. So this is a paintbrush, like electric, and there's a light shining onto the screen, into this wall thing, and then just roll down like this. Very interesting stuff. Alright, so let me just explain a bit here. This art actually represents Singapore loving the soccer game very much. I mean, look at the way they actually designed this thing, and slowly the LED lights come out and the soccer ball actually flies to the goalkeeper, and the silhouette of this is just amazing. The design of it, and the coordination of the light timing is very important. So yeah, every year standard, this Merlion at the Marina Bay area will be lit up for iLight Singapore. And as we move around here, this bridge, I think this is a new addition. Yeah, this is a new addition to the bridge for this year's iLight. And the funny guy again down here, Kelvin. Yeah, so anyway, we did not have enough time to go to Padang, right? And we are right now at number 25th, and number 25th is the show, which is going to start in 10 more minutes, and it's going to start at 10 o'clock according to my watch right now. Yep, it's going to start at 10 o'clock, so yeah, stay tuned. Cheers. So this is actually very nice actually, look at the silhouette. It's probably a boy jumping across the river. Alright guys, so that is it for this vlog. Till the next time I will see you again. Don't forget to hit the like and share and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys again. Cheers.